Okay, let's take a look at these two differentiation questions. The first one, we have f of x is 6x cubed times x squared minus 7. And so we want to do the product rule. The product rule says the derivative of the first times the second, which just sits there, plus, now you switch it around. You have the first times the derivative of the second item. All right, well, what is the derivative of 6x cubed? 3 comes down, 3 times 6 is 18x squared. X squared minus 7 just sits there. All right, what about this one? The derivative of x squared is 2x. The derivative of 7 is 0. So now I'm going to distribute. So 18x squared times x squared is 18x to the fourth. Minus 18 times 7 is 126x squared. And now 2 times 6 is 12, x cubed times x to the fourth. Now we can at least combine the 18 and the 12 to give us 30x to the fourth minus 126x squared. Now that's using the product rule. You could have also, just from the very beginning, multiplied this thing out, and you would have had 6x to the fifth minus 42x cubed. Now, yes, that would have been a lot faster because now I can differentiate this. 5 times 6 is 30x to the fourth. Yes, and here 3 times 42 is 126x squared. So you could have multiplied it out and then just use your power rule. But this is what they wanted you to do, was to use the product rule. In question 2 here with the quotient rule, all right, the quotient rule says the bottom part squared. Bottom is here times the derivative of the top piece minus the top, there's the top, times the derivative of the bottom. So that's where the work is. Well, the derivative of this x is just 1. The derivative of x minus 24 is 1. And so now it's a question of simplifying. So x minus 24 minus x is cancel, and we get minus 24 over x minus 24 squared. All right, so hopefully that helps.